Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Report's online morning update for the 4th of May 2012. International markets were mostly weaker overnight, weighed down by increasing concerns over the world economy. A round of US economic data failed to impress, with services activity rising at a slower than expected pace in April. There was a bigger than expected drop in weekly jobless claims, but investors largely ignored the data amid rising pessimism ahead of tonight's non-farm payrolls report. The mood wasn't much better in Europe, where ECB Chief Mario Draghi cited significant downside risks to the economic outlook but refrained from cutting Eurozone interest rates. The Dow and S&P logged declines of around 0.5%, whilst Germany and France also finished in the red despite opening in positive territory. Most commodities suffered declines, with oil and copper hit particularly hard by the US data and the ECB statement. Oil suffered its worst one-day loss for the year amid speculation a faltering economy will curb energy demand. Gold slumped 1% as the better-than-expected jobless claims data appeared to diminish the odds of more quantitative easing. The euro held its ground against the greenback after the ECB failed to make mention of a rate cut, whilst the Aussie fell below 103 US cents, mirroring the declines in commodity prices. Overnight, the SPY was unable to breach the cluster of resistance around 44.40 and instead moved lower in line with a retreat on the street. Although the price action was again supported by the 44.10 region, a failure around this level could precede a downside move towards 43.80. The disappointing night overseas is set to negatively impact our market this morning. SPY futures are currently pointing to a 10-point loss on the open.